Do you want to know how AI can make your life easier, help you save time, and even earn money? Welcome to Learn AI Today. Here, we make AI simple and useful for everyone. Hi guys, whether you are a beginner, just started out, a professional looking to integrate AI into your work, or someone simply curious about the latest trends, you are in the right place. On this channel, we will explore the latest AI tools and how to use them, prompt engineering tips for creating better results, creative ways AI can transform your daily life, and so much more to keep you ahead of the curve. AI is not just for tech experts, it's for everyone. My goal is to simplify AI and make it fun, relatable, and practical so you can unlock its full potential no matter your background. And remember, AI won't replace jobs, but people who use AI will replace those who don't. So, if you are ready to dive into the fascinating world of AI, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification. Together, we will learn, create, and grow in this AI powered era. Welcome to Learn AI Today.